How was it?
It was the worst thing ever.
We are at the start of Delightful Dales, which is 200k, 205k actually, and around 3,000 metres, so quite a few people. It's been pretty icy this morning. I had to clear that ice off the car, but we should be okay. It's warming up, There's loads of hills, so we should be warm. I've got my rubber gloves on under my thick gloves, and so excited. It's going to be the start of summer, start of spring. -2, but I'm feeling good. It's getting even colder. It's really misty as well. Very pretty with the sun coming through. Look at that. Oh my god, that looks absolutely incredible. Like, look up there, those trees. So misty. And it is getting nice and sunny now. Woohoo! Look at these. Hello. We're only about 30k in, and look at this. Oh, we just say that this is why we ride. It's incredible. These sheep are looking at me like, you are one crazy lady. But beautiful country lanes, beautiful sunshine, beautiful hills, beautiful sheep and little lambs. There aren't any lambs on this one actually. But God, this is just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Look at this. You see how excited I get? That view. Look at all the mist over there. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Right, let's crack on. We're just working out whether or not, let me try and show you there. You see just up there, it's a really steep looking road, and we're thinking, you see that? So we're thinking we might have to like just go up it. And the guy that's organised this organises some epic climbs.
Looking the views.
Yeah. Is that a climb?
Yes, it is. I've never done it.
Do you know what it's called?
Oh, I can't remember now.
I think we might be going up it. We're just trying to work out whether we were or not.
I remember when they published the Tour de France route.
Yeah.
On a blog said they haven't taken the steepest climb out of Kettlewell.
Oh, maybe it is it then.
They did give the name of it, but I can't remember.
Well, we'll go and see if that is it. Jesus Christ. I'm carrying on.
Oh, sorry.
How was it?
It was the worst thing ever.
It was good, I loved it. It's steep, but I love that. I love that like, shit, am I gonna come off feeling?
I had to get off halfway.
I stopped on that very first bend and I was like, I'm not gonna push it, I'm just gonna keep having I had 2 little breaks and I was like,
Yeah.
so good though.
Yeah, it's a great climb. If you could do it, it'd be amazing.
Oh, how good though. Amazing. Oh, look at that view. So as I was just saying then, woohoo! Everyone's cheering. So good. Steep as, but it was good. Really good climbing. There were people like supporting you on there, like cheering you. So good. It's quite windy though. having a little drinky drink. Love this stuff. So about 73k in. So having a little, this is the first control, so just getting a receipt. I'm going to carry on, but the weather, it's like 13 degrees. It is amazing. I just keep saying to Trish, I'm like, I just love this. I just absolutely love it. This guy, Andy Corliss, just, I'm sure it's Corliss, I think that's how you say it. Just, he knows how to create a route. Always hilly, always spectacular views. If you get a chance to do one of his rides, do one because they are amazing. Absolutely amazing. It's getting hot. Richard's taking his third pair of socks off. Woo!
Two on maybe.
Just keep them on. I've actually taken. I look ridiculous. I've taken my hat off. I might even take my base layer off and just wear this. The clocks have gone forward. I don't know what they're doing. Got a meeting a date. The clocks have gone forward. We're doing some amazing hills. And it's sunny and it's warm. It's just... I think this is my favourite day of the year so far. What about you? We were saying before, like, I don't think we've ridden and it's been this warm since we're in Mallorca in October, so we're like... Lots of cycling, lots of summer cycling. So we're going to carry on. Next stop is about 50k away. And I think that is going to be the stop where I get my crisp sandwich. Look at this. Oh. Food bag. A couple more dates. And off we go. I'm back off. They've got no gloves on. The gloves are off. And it's sunny. And it just feels great to be alive. It feels great to be a cyclist today. Incredible. So excited. I just feel so happy. I love riding my bike in the nice weather and the hills and the nice people. I've just seen Darius and Andy just rocked up, which is a nice little surprise. And now we're going to head off.
We've done the Audax backwards, so we're 170k in.
Whatever. Right. That was the nicest surprise ever. They've just left now, but then I just saw Darius there. And I was like, what's Darius doing here? Because he's come up to ride with his friend Andy. So nice. I wish they were riding with us. So good to see them. So good. This is just the best day ever. The only way this day would be better is if Jay was here riding with us. But he can't. He can't this weekend, so next time, Jay, next time. Right, let's go. I definitely spoke too soon. We got like climbing up this like beautiful like pass and it was so windy. I think we've just had tailwind all the way, hence why it's been so nice. And then all of a sudden we had all this headwind. We're like, oh my god, it's so cold. So we had to stop and like put the gloves and the hat and everything back on. But fingers crossed it's gonna be all right. And hopefully there's not much more wind. The sun's come back out, so it's still nice riding. A lot of climbing to do though. We've done about 1,500 meters. So I've done about half the climbing and we've done about 80k I think, so 120k and 1,500 meters to go. See, it's getting cold. Wish he's even putting his arms back on. It is really good. It's got really grey, a bit windy. I think we're a little bit like, I think we got really excited before because it was so sunny. And now we just got a bit hungry and a bit thirsty and a bit cold. So I want to eat some food. Got about, I think we're about 100k now, so it's about 20k to the next like stop, so you know what I'm going to be eating there. A nice crisp, I can't even speak, crisp sandwich. Back out! You're going to take your arm warmers back off now, aren't you? Oh no, the sun's gone back in! But we're heading that way. We're heading that way to the blue sky, so I'm going to eat. I just had a gel. I'm going to eat that. Yeah, and then head on. This is why Audaxes are so fun. People know roads like this. Like, look where we are. Literally in the middle of nowhere. It's mental, like look at that behind. It's just, I cannot recommend Audaxes enough. Local people just creating amazing routes on roads that you would never even know to go down unless you live there. Look at it. What is this place? Look at that snow! That is ridiculous. What? Welcome to Cumbria. That is where we've come from. Look at all the snow. Amazing. Now we've got a load of downhill. Feeling pretty good and hoping that we're getting to the sun now. Warm up a little bit. I think we're about 115k maybe, so we've got about 5 or 6k until the next checkpoint where it's crisp sandwich time! Oh yeah!
Friendly stuff.
Crisp sandwich time! This is just amazing. It didn't have any pita breads though, well the pita breads that they had milk in them.
No fresh bread?
No fresh bread, so we just had to go for a wrap.
Too much water, eh?
It's basically just a picnic.
Yeah. But without a bench in the middle of a street, cars going past, you're stepping on toes.
I think this is one of my favourite parts of an Audax is when you've done like a massive chunk of it and then you just sat on the floor just eating with loads of other riders. Do you like it? This is my favourite part of it. Do you mind just on camera?
Stopping, yeah.
I like stopping and I like just eating at the side
yeah.
of the road. That's my favourite thing. I love it. I just absolutely love it. See you there. We're going to head off now as well. Oh. So we just did Cole Road and I walked the first bit because it was so steep I thought my legs ain't gonna do it, but rode the rest, so pretty good. Heading off now. It's very windy. Let's go. About 170k in. I'm sorry, my camera's died. I don't know what's wrong with it. I don't know whether the battery's just gone, it just literally won't turn on, it won't charge. So I'll have to figure out what's going on with that later. Oh, actually I shouldn't be using a phone, I'm at a garage. Naughty. Come over here. Is that just actually if you're on the phone? I don't know, maybe it's filming. So yeah, feeling good. We're just gonna get some bit of juice. Last minute stop, gonna get maybe some soft mints, maybe a bit of bread, maybe another crisp sandwich. Hey! They're just riding off. The people you meet on these rides, honestly. Hey! Like that, like how nice. People are just so friendly. I love it. If you've not done an Audax yet, you have to do an Audax. Do an Audax. I just realised I didn't do an end to the video, and this is a terrible end to the video because it's so dark and I'm sat in my car. But yep, all good, feel great, just a brilliant, amazing ride, really fun people. I've said it before and I'm going to say it again, I just love Audaxes. I just love Audax. I just think it's the best type of riding ever. Fantastic, amazing day out. You're making me strong.